Phnom Penh is undergoing a radical transformation. It's awash with foreign investors pouring cash into a property market thrown open to the world. When title reforms were introduced in 2010, allowing foreigners to own property above the ground floor, condo developers, largely from Singapore, Malaysia and South Korea, started flooding in.
We will finish the whole structure in 2.5 months.
Now it's the Chinese who are coming. Sam Yang, who is leading the foray for Chinese firm EASTLAND Development, says his firm is attracted by Cambodia's low tax base, relative political stability and market gap in Grade B office space.
Given the political instability, a lot of the medium to lower funds, foreign investment funds, they're actually moving their headquarters from Bangkok to Phnom Penh.
That, he says, coupled with a growing stream of foreigners spending generous housing allowances, is helping Phnom Penh become a new ASEAN business hub. Many firms like Yang's appear legitimate, but there are strong incentives for less transparent operators too, according to George McLeod, manager of PRICEWATERHOUSECOOPERS in Thailand.
There is a lot of talk of, sort of suitcases of cash floating around in Cambodia, and for a country that has lax AML, anti-money laundering enforcement, and issues with corruption, it's obviously quite prone to that.
The Cambodian economy, which uses dollars and the local real currency, also appeals to nervous Chinese investors simply seeking to turn their yuan into a more stable currency in the wake of last year's stock market crash.
As far as I can see, it's coming in a big way, partly because of capital flight with the shock waves that went through the Chinese markets.
Another question that lingers is, with banks notoriously reticent to loan and the country relatively poor, how can so many Cambodian investors buy condos up front with cash?
Well, there's a lot of wealthy people here with money that they've gotten through various devices, whether it be legal or illegal, and they just want to buy property to put it somewhere safe.
Whether above board or otherwise, the investor rush into one of Asia's last frontier property markets looks set to continue for some time yet. David Boyle for VOA News, Phnom Penh.